Welcome to Workvshype, your ultimate anti-AI cheating monitor. With Workvshype, you can detect AI cheating in any online test or interview with real-time alerts and without needing any technical skills. And the best part, you can set everything up in less than 1 minute. Let's take a quick tour of the platform. This is the home page where you can see everything Workvshype offers, including a quick demo video that explains how the anti-AI cheating tool works. Click on the Features button to see everything Workvshype can monitor. Click on the FAQ button. Here, you'll find answers to common questions from creating your tool, to payment, to account issues, and more. And if you ever need help, just click on the Support button. Here, you'll find the official support email, support@workvshype.com, where you can reach out for any general queries. If you don't get a reply within 48 hours, be sure to check your spam folder or try messaging from another email address. Now click Get Started button. Now let's look at the free plan. Click See Details, expand more to view detailed information about the tools. With your corporate email, you instantly receive 1 free credit. Using this credit, you can generate the anti-AI cheating tool once, and it will detect only the Cluely AI cheating tool. Next, the premium plan. Click See Details to explore the full list of AI cheating tools the premium version detects. You get full detection for tools like Cluely, ShadeCoder, Locked-in AI, Final Round AI, Interview Sidekick, Sanair AI, Interview Coder, LeadCode Wizard, and many more. Click View Pricing Details to see the available plans. In the single plan, you get 1 credit for 100 rupees. You can create the anti-AI cheating tool one time, and tool will detect all mentioned AI tools. This plan is perfect for people who want pay-as-go service for every single interview scheduled at a time. In the bundle plan, you get all same features like in single plan that can detect all AI cheating tools, but you can pay for bulk in single transaction. Plan gives you freedom to buy according to your needs. For example, 100 credits for 10,000 rupees. So you can conduct 100 sessions to detect any AI tool used in any assessment like interview or exam. Now let's create your custom anti-AI cheating tool. Select the free plan. Enter the HR name. Enter corporate HR email. Enter assessor name, if known, to input the name of the assessor if available. Enter company name. Enter meeting link to enter the interview meeting link. Enter candidate name. Click Create Your Tool to generate your interview assessment tool. Then click Create Your Tool and your personalized monitoring link is ready to use. And that's it. Workvshype makes your assessment secure, fair, and protected from AI cheating with just a few clicks.